So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can create new Trust Wallet account. So guys, if you're planning on creating a new account, then this video is for you. So we're using a PC. So in order to open Trust Wallet on PC, you just need to add an extension. And once you do that, you would find it right here and just search for Trust Wallet. It's right here. Just tap there and this will be shown. So guys, right on the first page and the first option, it says create a new wallet. Just tap there and now it's asking you to create a new password. Create a strong password and type it again to confirm it. Agree to the terms of service and tap on next. And now it says right here that your wallet is ready to use. If you want to set Trust as your default wallet, just turn it on, but if you don't want that, you can also choose to turn it off. If you want to pin your Trust Wallet so that it'd be easier for you to select it next time, you can also choose to do that. And guys, finally just hit the open wallet option, tap on got it, and guys, there you go, you have successfully opened the Trust Wallet. So guys, this is how you create a new Trust Wallet account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.